Oracle Cloud Procurement. Hi, my name's Scott Walls, and I created this free, easy to follow video so anyone can learn about the procurement functional area in less than 1 hour. Together, we'll walk through the functional area, its applications, and popular integrations and careers. And best of all, if you have questions while you're watching this course, you can reach out to me directly at any time. Let me show you how to get started right now. Step 1, go to Panameer.com, or if you hate typing, click the link below. Step 2, from Panameer's main menu, select Learn, then New Courses, then End Users, and click on Procurement. Step 3, from the Procurement page, click the Enroll button within the Basic Procurement Learning Path and start learning immediately. Don't miss out on this easy to learn opportunity. In fact, the course is free for the next 30 days. So what are you waiting for? Come to Panameer and get 1% better in the next couple hours. And I'll see you in the next video.